Magandang buhay! Welcome to MATHtuto with Teacher Jacq.
Ating tenga, ating isip, ating puso, sabay-sabay tayong matuto with Teacher Jacq.
For today, I'll be discussing about identifying and describing different quadrilaterals. Our lesson objectives: at the end of this lesson, you are expected to identify and describe the different kinds of quadrilaterals such as square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, and rhombus. And the other one is relates one quadrilateral to another quadrilateral. Example, square to rhombus. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides and 4 right angles. What are the different kinds of quadrilaterals? Here are the kinds of quadrilaterals. We have parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, and trapezoid. Let us describe each quadrilateral. The first one, we have parallelogram. It has two pairs of parallel sides and its opposite sides are equal. Let's have the example of parallelogram. Okay, so itong nasa horizontal, these two lines in horizontal form, this is the first pair of parallel side. And then itong two lines na nasa vertical, ito yung second pair of parallel sides. Okay, so its opposite sides are equal, meaning itong two lines na nasa horizontal, magkasukat sila. If this one measures 11 cm, this one also measures 11 cm. And when it comes to the vertical lines, magkasukat din sila. If this one measures 5 cm, yung opposite side niya, it measures also 5 cm. We have rhombus. A rhombus is a parallelogram that has 4 equal sides. Let's have an image of a rhombus. So, rhombus has 4 equal sides. For example, this side measures 4 cm. The second side also measures 4 cm. And then the third side also measures 4 cm. And then the fourth side or the last side measures 4 cm. So, lahat ng sides magkakasukat. We have a rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram that has 4 right angles. Its opposite sides are equal. Let's have an example of a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. It has 4 sides. So its opposite sides are equal. So itong side na to na nasa horizontal, they are equal in measurement. If this one measures 11 meters, yung opposite side niya, it also measures 11 meters. And then yung sa vertical sides naman, if this side measures 6 meters, the opposite side also measures 6 meters. And when it comes to angles, ang rectangle ay meron siyang 4 angles, which is this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang 4 angles ng rectangle, it measures 90 degrees each. So, magkakasukat ang 4 angles ng ating rectangle. Next, we have square. A square is a parallelogram that has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. So, this is an image of square. So, yung 4 sides ng ating square ay equal in measurement. Halimbawa, ito ay 4 meter, ito ay 4 meter, this one is 4 meter, and the last one is 4 meter. And when it comes to angles, the square has 4 angles, which is this one, another one, and the last one. So, yung 4 angles ng square, each measures 90 degrees, which is equivalent to right angle. The last one, we have trapezoid. A trapezoid has only one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. So let's have an example of trapezoid. The bases of the trapezoid are parallel. So ito yon. First base and then yung second base. Iyan yung parallel sides ng ating trapezoid. And the two non-parallel sides of our trapezoid are called legs of the trapezoid. Take a look at our diagram. So we have here quadrilaterals. These are kinds of quadrilaterals. We have parallelogram, trapezoid, rectangle, rhombus, and square. The rectangle, the rhombus, and square are all parallelograms because they have the same characteristic as with a parallelogram. The square is also a rectangle because it has two sets of parallel sides and four right angles. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. All rectangles are parallelograms, but not all parallelograms are rectangles. Just always remember that a rectangle, rhombus, and square are all parallelograms because they have the same characteristic as with a parallelogram. Square is also a rectangle because it has two sets of parallel sides and four right angles. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. And all rectangles are parallelograms, but not all parallelograms are rectangles. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. God bless!